Hello everyone, my name is Hector, the Chief Technology Officer from Lyine Group, China. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite farms in Oman. We are professional manufacturer of indoor farming with hydroponic solution. The project is under construction. The width is 30 meter and the length is 140 meter. So the total is 4,200 square meters. It's the biggest indoor farming in Oman. This is the indoor farming project site. You see it's under construction. It's on top roof. It's heat installation with PU material. Let us walk inside and see the amazing project. This is several rooms for office, training, and package. The biggest indoor farming in Oman. This vertical farming, we use full automatic hydroponics. All the crops here is 90% less water, 90% less land, and 80% less labor. The complete hydroponic solution care for the plant growing throughout the grow circle. Okay, this area is control parts, and this area is fertilization system. It can control pH, irrigation, light, temperature, and all necessary parts. And this is a grow rack. It's a movable model. You see? This system we call EBB and flow table growing system. Its structure is waterproof structure. And one plant square meter can bear 100 kg, so it's very strong enough. This flower tree is made of food grade ABS material. Its width is 1.2 meter and the length 12 meter. Any length you want is available. This floating group panel is made of food grade PP. It's with special planting hole inside to support the pot. This black color covers the tree. It's very good for root, vegetable roots. The plants, small plant into the pot filled with sponge or rock wool. Then place inside the grow panel. Fertilization system bring solution is into the tree and inflow this side and overflow another side. The nutrient irrigation time finish, it overflow from another side back to the water reservoir by the drainage channel and then collect together. The LED grow light, it's full spectrum. The plants consume light, it's like their source of food. So just like all of us humans have a daily calorie requirements. So the full spectrum grow light is very important for the crops. The 24 transformer transport the voltage 380 voltage into the 24. It hung on the wall. The waterproof model, so the safe is very important feature. The water drainage channel with a slope, you see, here is high and over is low. It's very easy to collect the water into the water reservoir.